Yo, what's up, Trap? This is your boy Fabian, the Dallas Trap. Happy to be in the building. Appreciate all that you do. My question is about Google. With Google going through that lawsuit right now, do you think they're still going to be in position to take advantage of the November rally if we were to create a new position in Google right now? I already own it, but I was looking to buy more shares before the run up. But after this lawsuit thing, it kind of has stifled me. So kind of unsure about making the next move. What are your thoughts on if Google will be able to participate in the November rally? Appreciate you.
What's good, family? Definitely appreciate you for, you've been rocking for a minute, man. Good to, put a face on it. I always see you, just running it in the chat, in the group for sure. Man, you know what, man? I was watching it today, man. And, they got a lawsuit already on them. And then they got these new charges on them. Worst case scenario, they're going to break them up. I just think I think they got to weather the storm right now. I don't feel comfortable. I mean, they ain't going nowhere. Listen, so they are my biggest thing is that they'll be so caught up in the lawsuits that they don't get the opportunity to take advantage of everything that's going on with the AI. Because now when you go into court, it's like when a dude on the street, like when you go into court, that's your main objective. You know what I'm saying? When I was going to court, like that was my main objective. I didn't want to be around nobody. My mind was on court. You know what I'm saying? And so I feel like that's going to happen with them. I feel like they're going to be so caught up on the court situation. They're going to be paying lawsuits after lawsuits. They're going to appeal, but that's going to take years. And I don't think the market is going to trust them while they're going through this, right? I don't think the market is going to have faith in them, right? The market don't want to be a part of none of that. You know what I'm saying? So they may move a little bit, but I think they'll trade sideways for a little minute, but still a great company. If you got a position in it, I'm not mad. I'm not gonna do no option plays on it, especially for sure right now. If I own it, I own probably I think I own 1,000 shares of it. I'm not doing nothing right now with it. I'm just letting it be what it is. These antitrust lawsuits, man, those are big, and that's shifting the game. And then as they fighting that, you got people like Amazon. I mean, you got people like Microsoft, who's now the first company to use NVIDIA's Blackwell, that GB200 chip. So they gonna gain ground. Amazon gonna gain ground. So they gonna lose footing with that. So I don't feel comfortable saying yes, but they not about to just like get tanked. They're not about to tank, but I don't think you're gonna get the performance you won't get with it. Let's go. I was just good, huh?
Hey, Trap. Shout out to Jose for allowing me to speak today. I just wanted to say shout out to the Trapper University. I am learning so much in there. I have a 4-year bachelor's degree, and it doesn't compare to as much game that you're giving me in Trapper University. I am in the Trapper mythology, the Kilo Pack, the marijuana trapping, the Wallstreet trapping, the triple beam, and now the options master course, and it has truly changed my life. I'm starting to scale my Roth IRA account, and I have started a custodial account for my 4-year-old niece because no longer will the generations behind me inherit lack trap. My dream is to change my family's legacy, man. And I thank you for equipping me with the vision, for equipping me with the tools that I need to study and succeed, man. Blessings.
That whole thing. Oh, she just wanted to drop game. Man.
She said, look, I'm getting money.
Man, I appreciate you, Queen, for just coming on, dropping that. I appreciate you for watch this. I appreciate you for taking your financial foundation serious. Like that's serious when you say, yo, I'm in college, NBA, that we spending thousands for, and I'm learning more from the stuff I done took from you that ain't cost a fraction of that. And I'm making money. That's a warm hug right there. That's definitely a warm hug right there. The greatest investment you'll ever make is the one that you put on yourself. And it's just facts, man. We gotta stop being scared to make that investment in yourself. Like, one of the things that be getting me, like, when I, like, we, like, I remember my partner Travis. He was here. And I took him to Time Forward, man. And I woke up. So the first day I took him, he saw me getting fitted for the suits. And he saw the lady, like, pinning me up. He was like, damn, dog. So the next day, I had put this green Time Forward t-shirt on. And he said, man, that's a nice t-shirt. And I said, yeah, no, this ain't polo, dog. I was just playing with him. We from the hood, so, bro, you'll go out in a polo white tee. Like, that's club clothes.
You would go to church in the
You feel me? Like, bro, like where I come from, bro, nice pair of jeans, sneakers, man, I can't find nothing. Brand new polo white tee. 3 in a box. If I go to the outlet, we get 5 in a box. Stop playing. I done got 6 boxes. What we doing here? Eyeing that thing? So he said, man, let me see, man. Let me feel it. He said, oh, man, I got to have one of them. I said, you sure? He said, problem. I said, well, I got to bring this stuff so they can fix it for me anyway. I'm going to bring you with me. We'll go back. So we went back. You was in there. He put the t-shirt on. He was like, I got to put it on right now. I got to walk out the store with it, dog. I said, we got to pay for it first. We is not going to jail behind this t-shirt. So he put the t-shirt on. He was like, dog, this feels different. We walked out of the store. He bought the t-shirts, and I said, how much money you got in your investment account? He said, I just put $10,000 in. I said, okay, the shirt is justifiable. He said, I just transferred the $10,000. Yeah, I did it the day before. I said, okay, the t-shirt is justifiable. You feel me? Like, you're not about to go spend this money, but you ain't got nothing invested. You feel what I'm saying? The greatest investment you can ever make, is the one you doing you. That's the greatest investment. Because the thing about that is nobody can ever take this information from me. And I feel comfortable in knowing in my heart, if it all went away, if I could not get back on social media and teach ever again, I know for a fact I go cut some grass, I go wash some cars, I go be an iron worker to make some money, and I'm going right back to the market with it to build it back up. I'm going right back to the market and build it right back up. May take me a year, may take me 18 months, may take me 2 years, but I'm going to get back. Because nobody can't take this from me. Unless you do some Men in Black stuff and hit me with the poof, now I don't know it no more. Different story. That's why it is important, y'all. I don't care about posting my account and people seeing that. I don't care. I remember when account got down to maybe it was at 4 million, then it got down to 3.5. He was like, oh, he lost some money. I was like, bro, I don't care. We gonna be back. Then it got down to 2.9. It was I was like, bro, I started with 400,000 in this account when we started the show. The beginning of the year was at 1 million. It was at 1.5. In July of last year, it was at 1 million. We hit the million July last year. We started January at 1.5. I'm like, bro, we up to, bro, I don't care. It ain't about the money on it. You think I care about that? When we started this show, I told Jose, bro, we gonna put the account up there just to show people because nobody else ain't doing it. And I said, Jose, we gonna make people think big. Am I lying, Jose? I said, we gonna make people think big. I said, yeah, they got people making money in the market, but they not showing them big. They showing them 1,000, 5,000. I said, Jose, we gonna show them big. We gonna show them what it look like to make 100 grand, 200 grand. Biggest day so far, we did 600 grand. We got to show them what that looked like. Biggest play, 1.2 million. After we sat on the show and say, bro, we going to make $1 million play. I say, bro, we going to make $1 million play. That's the goal. The people got to see it. They done seen, no offense, they done seen the white folks make the millions. They done seen the dude from the recession thing, Michael Burry. They done seen that they ain't never seen nobody look like them say, hey, I'm gonna make $1 million on one play. And then say, hey, this the play. This the one we gonna make $1 million on right here in the options market. I said, Jose, we gonna make them think big, because here's what happened. When you see somebody that look like you see somebody that you can resonate with doing it, you stop thinking that it's unattainable, and you start telling yourself, who do I have to become to do the same thing? There's not a week we've done Trapping Tuesdays where I've not showed that account. I done got up at some days and 60% of the plays is in red. I'm like, well, y'all, shit. It's bloody, but we here.
Gotta ride that storm.
That's integrity, but even more so, it's showing you that one thing I always say is the market goes up more than it goes down. All we got to be willing to do is stay in position. This ain't me. When people get on Instagram, they see certain stuff, but we show this every Tuesday. We are 112, 13 weeks in. This is what we do. This is what we do. You don't see me ducking. Well, we ain't gonna show the portfolio this week, Jose. We gonna black the red plays out and just show the red plays, Jose. Every week. The market could be down 40%. Guess what Trap still doing? Well, y'all, it look like. Because I'm consistent in the market. You know when we really shine? 2022 when the market was down, bloody. We were still green. We printed 200,000 in the options market. We beat them. We had 16% return in the buy and hold market. Bro, that's what we do. Now, I don't put it up every week on Instagram, but every week on here is up there. Because the proof is in the pudding that the market does work. And you ain't got to be in and out. Trap, should I take profit here? Should I do this? You ain't got to be in and out. Play the market. Follow the rules. Follow the blueprint. The market going to do what it do. Same thing in the options market. I went through one phase and I ain't gonna lie, the Patreon people got on me. It was like, hey, Trap, stop doing that. Stop trying to please everybody, dog. We on a win streak. If they can't afford what we doing, bro, don't be trying to switch all that up, bro. We losing money for no reason. I said, you know what? You right. I'm not trying to please nobody. And since then, and I caught myself because I'm like, damn, bro, like, I'm trying to help my people. I need some good. Hey, Trap, don't do that no more. That ain't our plays, bro. That ain't, no. I said, you know what? Y'all right. Y'all right. Y'all right. Y'all got me. Bet. Like, Trap, this don't even line up with what we talking about. Where you even get these companies from? That belong in a buy and hold portfolio somewhere, dog. Like, you right. Bet. We've been going crazy. We got a formula. We stick to the formula. We may, depending on what's going on, but for the 90%, we stick to the formula. That's how we win. That's how we make money. So my people in the Patreon, they know what it feels like to get 100% on a play, 150% on a play, 200% on a play. And let me say this, y'all. We back in that 80 to 100% range right now. Let me say that. We are back in that 80 to 100% range right now. Y'all know what I told y'all before? We was in that 20 to 50%. We back to where we belong at. It's that time of year. Think about it. We don't. Our last 8 plays, we only down on 2 plays. Berkshire play and the got doggone Wingstop play. Everything else is what we do. It's what we do. My people in Trappers Anonymous, fundamental geniuses over there. All we do is break down companies. All we do is break them down to the finest. So if you want to learn how to break down a company, go get in Trappers Anonymous. You want to just get the plays? Come get in the Patreon. But what we do, we bring money.